Tonight in the rape case involving Chris Jones.
The two accusers are raising concerns about the handling of the case, while prosecutors maintain the former U of L star is not receiving special treatment.
WLKY's Mark Vanderhoff spoke to the woman's attorneys today. What are they saying, Mark?
Well, they're saying this case is not being handled like a typical rape case, and they say that it should be no different just because Chris Jones has such a high profile.
What we want and what we are asking for is that this case be treated no differently than an ordinary sexual assault case would be treated under the similar circumstances.
His clients were not notified of Jones' release from jail until after Jones got out. Walsh says that violates Kentucky's Crime Victims Bill of Rights. Walsh also says Jones and two co-defendants will be allowed to present recorded statements to a grand jury, something he says rarely happens. Finally, Walsh says prosecutors have been questioning the victims without allowing their attorney to be present. He said that's a concern given the difficulty sometimes of proving rape.
It appears to me, and I emphasize appears, that an opinion or impression of this case was developed by the Commonwealth's attorney prior to their speaking to my victims, which I have a hard time understanding. That they had drawn the conclusion that conviction was unlikely in this case.
Commonwealth's attorney Thomas Wine released this statement in response. The victims and the public can be confident that this matter is being handled completely in accordance with the Kentucky Rules of Criminal Procedure, statutes, case law, and the Kentucky Rules of Professional Conduct. He also said, in this process there have not been, nor will there be, any special procedures or accommodations made for these defendants or their attorneys. Jones has pleaded not guilty to both rape charges. Two other men were also charged in one of the rapes. Tyvon Walker and Jalen Tilford have also pleaded not guilty. A jury will decide on Monday whether or not to indict them. Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.